Hello, this is a quick introduction to authoring an article on the new EphBlog with our new Drupal content management system implementation. You'll see here that I'm already logged into EphBlog with my One Ken Thomas account. The first thing that you'll need to author an article on EphBlog is, of course, an account and authorial privileges, which you can get by our registration page or by emailing a member of our staff. Once you have that and are logged in, you'll see at the top of your screen this black menu bar, which is called an administration menu, and gives you quick access to many of the features available to you on the new EphBlog. To author an article, you simply go to the top left of the screen in that menu to Content Management. There's a drop-down menu that will give you an option Create Content, and then for most general types of content or articles on EphBlog, you'll go to Story and click there. That will then take you to the Story Add page, which can also be reached by this URL here. I'm going to skip a number of options below and just go through the basics. First, you go to Post Title. You'll choose My New Post Title or such, or whatever you'd like to call your post. We're going to skip these two. There's an option here for lead image, which you can invoke by choose file, which will allow you to attach a main image to your post, which will be shown throughout different kinds of views. I'm also going to pass over that advanced feature fairly quickly. The main thing here is the post body, which allows you to type in your content in the manner of a word processor, basically speaking. There are some advanced features, but basically the thing you need to know is you have the source button here to enter basic HTML. You have word processor-like functions like bold, italic, underline, strike through, and etc. You have the ability to insert images and in fact get your own directory of images, and to insert links, block quotes, increasing the indent, and such. The next major feature here is another text input box for teaser. This will autofill from your body if you don't put anything in, but essentially lets you enter alternative text, which is meant to be smaller and display in sidebars or in main page views, and just give our readers a quick overview of what your post will contain. So you can even enter entirely different text there if you want to give a different view or overview. I'm going to pass that up since it's not as important as a basic topic and go to this little sliding menu or folding menu we have here on the left, and start at the bottom with the most important, publishing options. Published here simply means that your post is available and published. It can be seen by other general users of the EphBlog site. If you take that off, your post is still there after you save it. You can come back and edit it, but only other administrative users will be able to see it or do anything with it. I'm going to move that back to published for now. The next is promoted to front page, which simply means that your article will appear on the front page of EphBlog. That's our main page. The next option, I'm going to choose that, is sticky at the top of lists. Sticky means that an article is promoted above other articles that aren't sticky, and that allows us to move more recent or important content to the top of the page. I'm also going to choose that and go right up to node weight, which is used in conjunction with stickiness usually. Weight means that, as they say, lighter items float to the top. So if we have a number of items that are already sticky and on that front page or even on the second page, weight allows us to move things even further up or down to establish a relative order of articles. For this purpose, I'm simply going to choose -30, which will put this new article on the top of the front page. Typically, if you're authoring a new article and you want it to go to the top, you should choose 27, so that there's still some room for more important items if they occur to be moved above yours. And in general, if you just want to be very important, choose 25, or you can choose things below that if you wish. Again, I'm choosing 30 just because this is a test. Next above that is scheduling options. This allows you to schedule an article to appear in the future. It's pretty simple. You click on Publish On, you choose a date, such as the 24th, and then you choose a time. Note it's a 24-hour clock. So if you'd like 2 o'clock in the afternoon U.S. time, you'd choose 1400 hours. Oops, go back again, 14:00:00, and right now this is in Central Time, just for you to know. So now if I were to go down here and click on Save, this article is actually published, so it would give us an error. If we take Published off, it's not published, but it's scheduled for publishing. We click Save, and it will show up on the 24th at 2 p.m. Central Time. I'm going to now get rid of that scheduling option, go back to Publishing Options, click on Published, and now if we hit Save, it will be immediately published and on the front page. I'm going to quickly look at revision information just to tell you that allows you to leave a note for revisions. Vocabularies is our taxonomy or category system, which allows us both to tag articles with tags about what kind of information, such as alumni or academics, and then academics accreditation are in them, and to choose sections or categories such as our tech updates or planning board or entrepreneurship, faculty, etc., to publish an article to. I'm going to move over this really quickly and leave it as an advanced topic to be discovered. File attachments allow you to attach a file to the bottom, such as a PDF of your article, so it'll be there for people to download. Nodes in block we can simply skip over, and here's trackbacks if you use them and need them. Okay, that's about it. Let's go back down to publishing options. Look at it again. We're published. We're promoted to the front page. We're sticky at the top of lists. Our node weight is -30, which makes us lightest and moves us to the top. And I'm just going to click Save. It'll take a second or two to go through the actions of publishing this article. And there we are. Your article is there. If you put a picture in your profile, it'll be associated with your article, and people can click through to your profile from that. Since you're logged in, you'll have a few administrative options above your article, the first of which is Edit, to go back to that edit page. Since we haven't put much here, that would probably be a good idea if you really wanted this to be an article. There's Tags, which allows you to go back to that tagging page and add new community tags. There's Tag Management, which allows you to manage the tags you've added to this article that are yours and essentially delete them if you no longer want them. I'm going to go up to the top of this page, cross my fingers, and hopefully this is going to be now at the top of EphBlog. If not, there it is. And there's your new article, and that's how you do it if you'd like to publish with us on EphBlog. We look forward to working with you in the future and to giving you more advanced tutorials about what can be done with our new Drupal content management system. Thank you.